Hey there, and welcome to Grit to Growth. I'm so glad you are here. This is the channel where we combine the power of grit with the promise to growth to help you thrive in your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're here to launch your notary business or take it to the next level, you're in the right place. Stay with me until the end because I've got a pro tip on how to grow your notary business faster and attract more clients. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Today, we're diving into how to become a notary in Arizona. Arizona is not just about Grand Canyon and desert sunsets, it's also a great place to start a thriving notary business. If becoming a notary feels overwhelming, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Because here at Grit to Growth, we don't just talk about success, we create it. Let's go. Let's get started. Take this time to like our video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that notification button so that you can be notified the next time we upload or go live. This is also a great opportunity for me to share with you. If you have questions on becoming a notary in your state, Arizona, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to answer those questions for you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. How to become a notary in Arizona. All right, before we can get started, you must know the role, your duties. What do we do as notaries? A notary public is an official appointed by the Arizona Secretary of State to serve as an impartial witness in performing a variety of legal duties. Okay, our main purpose is to prevent fraud. All right, we verify the identities of individuals signing documents, ensure that parties sign documents willingly and without coercion, and we authenticate documents with an official seal and signature. Requirements to become a notary in Arizona. Okay, the first thing is you must be 18 years of age, be able to read, write, and understand English. You must be a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident, and you must be a resident of Arizona. You must also have no felony convictions unless civil rights have been restored. The application is very simple, okay? Complete the online application, fill out and print the Arizona Notary Public application, obtain a $5,000 surety bond. You can purchase this through any surety bond company that is licensed in your state. You can also look at third-party surety bond companies or insurance companies that are that provide bulk surety bonds for people, such as the National Notary Association. The bond is something that protects the public against errors committed by the notary. So it's not insurance that we carry for us, the notary. It is to protect the public, and it is in their best interest that we carry this. The next step is to submit the required documents to the state so that they can appoint you. So the things that you're going to submit are your signed application. You're going to print it out, sign it. Okay, your notarized bond form to give proof or show proof that you do have that bond, and your filing fee of $43. The processing time to become a notary in Arizona is about 4 weeks, takes up to 4 weeks. You can request expedited processing, which could be 1 to 2 business days if available, for an additional $25. Okay. They made a note that if you write the word expedite on the envelope, they will know that you would like to expedite your application process. Okay. The next step is to receive your commission certificate. You're going to check your name, county, and commission dates before purchasing your seal. Okay. You want to verify all of those things are correct. After you've done all of that, you're going to purchase your notary supplies, such as your notary seal, your journal, and your fee schedule. Notary term and renewal. Arizona Notary Commission is valid for 4 years. To continue notarizing, you must renew your commission before expiration. Fees allowed in Arizona. Arizona notaries can charge up to $10 per notarial act. Notaries may also charge a travel fee if traveling for a notarization, but it must be in accordance with the General Accounting Office mileage fee. If charging fees, a notary must post their fee schedule. All right. So that is a green light for notaries in Arizona to make a profit. You will charge your client the fee that you're allowed to charge, $10, and then you'll charge the additional mileage or travel fee. Common notarizations that you'll come across in Arizona or any state are acknowledgments, jurats, oaths and affirmations, copy certifications, witnessing or attesting a signature, certifying or attesting a copy, and protest of negotiable interest instruments. Now, you're wondering, is remote online notary available in Arizona? Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, cue the cheers, the happy dance, and all of the celebrations. Okay, becoming a remote online notary in Arizona is fairly simple. It will take approximately another 2 weeks, in addition to that 4 weeks for your traditional application. Arizona does allow notaries to perform remote online notarizations since April 10th, 2020. Steps to become a remote online notary. First, you must hold an active Arizona Notary Commission. You must be able to, you must read Arizona's remote online notary rules. And then you must choose a RON technology provider that meets state requirements. There's going to be quite a few out there, so you're going to want to make sure you take time to research these technology providers to, one, make sure they are compliant with your state, and two, they are user friendly for both you and your customers. And they also are in your budget because it is not free to use these platforms. You must include it in your business plan and budget section. Next is to submit your electronic remote notary request to the Secretary of State. You're going to print, sign, and return the completed application. Receive your RON commission certificate via email. Very simple. RON tools and technology requirements that you're going to find out that you have to abide by. You're going to need a computer, webcam, and microphone. Secure internet connection, remote online notary technology platform, and that platform should include identity proofing and credential analysis, electronic journal, digital certificate with signature, and electronic seal. Most, if not all, platforms these days have all of the requirements needed. However, you do still need to check each individual platform you plan to use or utilize in your business to make sure it is compliant with your state. eNotary versus remote notary in Arizona. What's the difference? All right, if you hear someone say I'm an eNotary or I'm a remote online notary, let's find out. If you are an eNotary, this is someone who uses digital signatures, such as like on a tablet or iPad, but the signers must be physically present. So let's say we're at an appointment. I'm the notary. My client is sitting at the desk right in front of me. And instead of writing ink signatures on a piece of paper, he or she are signing their documents on a tablet or an iPad or a device. All right. Now, the difference is in between that and remote online notary are you're going to conduct those notarizations using two-way audio video technology. And make sure, again, like I said on that first beginning, a few slides back, make sure the platform is state compliant. You're not just logging into Zoom or FaceTime to do these notarizations. Let's get into some frequently asked questions about being an Arizona notary. Number one, where can I perform notarial acts? The answer is anywhere in Arizona state borders. Who can I notarize for? Any member of the public meeting statutory requirements. You cannot notarize for your own documents or for immediate family members. Number 3, do I need to take an exam or training to become an Arizona notary? The answer to that is no. Arizona does not require an exam or training at this time. However, a Notary Public reference manual is available for guidance. And I do recommend you get that and study it. Can I refuse to notarize a document? Yes, if the signer does not provide proper identification or the document is incomplete, you may refuse to notarize their document. What can you do when you're a commissioned notary in Arizona? Okay, let's talk about all the services that you can offer, ways of earning income. Okay, we like to have multiple streams of income in our businesses so that we can have sustainability, so we can grow, and so we can establish the growth that we aspire to have. The first one we'll talk about is called general notary work. This is general documents such as affidavits, deeds, power of attorney, or other legal documents. This will be someone calling you up and say, "Hey, Amber, I've got this affidavit I need for my job. Can you notarize it?" That's general notary work. The next thing you'll come across is loan signing agent. Okay, this is where you're going to facilitate real estate closings and assist escrow officers. So anytime someone purchases a home, sells property, real estate, has any kind of a loan modification, a home equity line of credit, or they're doing a cash out or any type of loan dealing with real estate or land, you are going to be now called a signing agent, which means that you're taking extra training and certifications and background checks so that you can be compliant and so that you are ready to take on this service. You must know exactly what this entails before you accept your first assignment. Next, like we talked about before, you can do remote online notarization. This is where you conduct online notarizations on a secure platform. The next thing you can consider in your business is an apostille facilitator. This is when you help clients get their documents authenticated for use abroad. So any document that you can think of that needs notarization, birth certificates, diplomas, marriage certificates, death certificates, and they're being used outside of the United States of America, then they will require an apostille. And then you can provide that service. You can facilitate that service through the Secretary of State or at the federal level. Next one is the estate planning and trust. This is where you're going to work with attorneys to notarize estate-related documents like wills and trusts. You'll be working with attorneys doing this type of notarization package. Other service to consider that pair very well with a notary are wedding officiant, I-9 authorized agent, exam proctor, courier, digital court reporter, fingerprinting, immigration form specialist, and field inspections. There are a few more that aren't listed here because there are just so many things that we notaries can do. But these are the main ones that you'll come across that you'll want to research more to see about adding it to your service. Tips for success as an Arizona notary. You're going to want to know Arizona's notary regulations. Familiarize yourself with the Arizona Notary Handbook. Keep detailed records. Use a notary journal to document every notarial act. Stay professional. Always verify the identity of the signer. Market your services. You're going to advertise at places like Google Business, local directories, and social media. All right. Success. Other opportunities for you to catapult your notary business are at your fingertips. We offer the services that I'm going to talk about in the next slide to help you grow your business. All right, the first one is our Signature Success Mentorship community located right at Notary Training Hub. This is a community of notaries out across all states that we meet weekly to get training on marketing, starting your business, doing your elevator pitch, websites, Google Business, and then locally we meet once a month as well. Then you've got one-on-one training, coaching with me or another dedicated notary entrepreneur. Website development happens at our Notary Training Hub. Then you can also get into marketing training and done for you packages. That is where we will do everything for you. Create your website, your landing page, all your social media accounts, everything you can think of, we can do that for you. The next thing you'll want to think about and things that we offer at our training hub is loan signing agent training, estate planning and trust, apostille, RON, fingerprinting, Notary 101, I-9 training, and business credit. Here are just a few photos of our community having a ball, learning all about being a notary. All right, extra training for specialty work, just like I mentioned before, but let me go through each class in detail about what it entails. Our loan signing agent training is where you will learn to confidently handle loan signings or loan closings and build relationships with title companies. Then we've got apostille training. This is where you'll master the process of authenticating documents for international use. Remote online notary training, understanding the technology and compliance for secure online notarizations. Estate planning and trust training. This is where you will develop the expertise needed to notarize sensitive legal documents. And resources to access all of these trainings are at the Notary Training Hub. And we are happy to help you. I am the lead educator there, as well as we have some more that I'll show you and introduce to you in just a few minutes. And that time is right now. So here's the team that we have right now at Notary Training Hub. We call it the All-Star Team. First is myself. I'm the lead trainer, and I'm also the founder of Notary Training Hub. We've got Jasmine next, and she is our lead marketing trainer. She teaches every month in our community, as well as facilitates the orientation for our members. She facilitates the 5K club. That's for our members that have surpassed and made it to $5,000 a month so that they can grow to the 10K club. We also have Miss Brittany. She is our community manager. She is the one behind the scenes getting everything in order and organized. Next, we've got Gene, who is a trainer at Notary Training Hub. His specialty is fingerprinting. We've got Sully Torres, and she's a training at Notary Training Hub. She teaches 2 classes at Notary Training Hub, wedding officiant and immigration form specialist. Then we've got Scott. He's our technical support to make sure everything is running smoothly. If you have questions, again, please put them in the comments. I and my team regularly check so that you can get all the information you need to make an informed decision. You can follow us on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. If you need to reach out to us via email, our email address is there, and our main website is there, notarytraininghub.com. Again, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to come to this session today to learn all about how to become a notary in Arizona. Hopefully, I'll be meeting you soon at one of our upcoming events. Have a good day. Happy stamping.